How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Judging by the title, you guys already know what we're doing, so we're just gonna kind of get into it. I've got a set of Verus Engineering Hood Vents for the Mk7 GTI. And I mean, to go with the theme, having two cars that are kind of enthusiast cars, the Miata got a set of the Singular Motorsports Hood Vents, and the GTI, it needs to match. Like I said, Verus Engineering Hood Vents. These are pretty small, like compared to the Miata at least, but it's pretty much same kind of design. It comes with the little gusseting, or I can't remember what these are called, but the little flaps that go in the front. And these are the vents here. They're aluminum. I've already got them painted flat black, just like the Miata. And I also picked up their rain trays, just since I drive this car in the rain more. I don't want to take any chances. The Miata has been fine. I've driven it in the rain plenty of times back before the 2.5 swap and never had any issues. I had a friend come over to help me take the hood off because it is pretty heavy. It's kind of tough to do by yourself, but we got the hood off. We need to get the heat shield, sound deadening, foamy stuff off the inside, but everything else here is good. Removed the windshield washer wires and tubes, so those are all good there. And then we also disconnected the hydraulic arm. And yeah, that's all you need to do to take off your hood so we can get installing these. Got our hood insulation out. Pops out really easily. They're these little black tabs and they squeeze together. Once you squeeze them, they come right out. And I just used a needle nose and this little pry tool I had. So now we need to come over to our template. They give you two. We need to cut out along this line. And like it says, align with the hood structure on the bottom. So I'm just gonna check my directions, cut these out, put them in, and make sure they're all centered where they need to be, and then we can get to drilling and then cutting. right, guys, here it is. I didn't film everything, but it's all bolted in both sides, and it's also got our rain guards in there, and it still vents, so it's not like they're not functional or anything, but man, that looks good. I'll show you guys basically what it looks like underneath. So here it is underneath. You can see all of our nuts and bolts are through the hood, all tightened up, and yeah, you can still see the light coming through. So what these rain trays should do is, if it does rain while the car's sitting, it should just kind of drain it down into the radiator area, or not around the intake at least. So yeah, super excited how these came out. So I just gotta wait for my buddy to have some free time to come help me out, because I can't get this hood back on by myself. So when you see me next, we're gonna be at a new day. So see you guys in just a second. Here it is, guys. Verus Engineering Hood Vents on the Mk7 GTI, and it looks just as good as I would hope. The car is in need of wheels now, to say the least. The track-oriented, aggressive lips and hood vents and everything. I think we're gonna need a pair of wheels. So that is gonna be it for this video, guys. This was a long process, hard process. Definitely need a pair of hands if you're gonna take the hood off yourself. If you can get it off yourself and get it aligned, all the more power to you. I applaud you. I didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna get the car out and go see how it looks out in the wild, out in public, under some sunlight. But otherwise, it's gonna be it for this video. So stay tuned for like a little, not reveal video, but like a feature video on the GTI with the hood vents and everything, because I think it is looking so awesome. Very happy with it. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna close out this video. If you guys are new to the channel and you're not already subscribed, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.